This morning, I was really in between a couple of different themes because there's some different things that are happening in my life, and I'm sure that there are many of these things that you can connect with and see taking place in your own life. But I really got, as I was preparing for this morning, that I needed to do some self-work on forgiveness and really step into it a little bit more fully. I made a mistake yesterday and wasn't feeling very good about it, and woke up this morning knowing that I needed to continue to make amends, which I had started yesterday, and that I needed to be more gentle with myself as I went and did that. So today's meditation is on forgiveness of self. So I'm going to ask that you join me in just setting the intention that as we forgive ourselves, we create an energy and a field of greater appreciation for who we are, how we are showing up in the world, and through that, really create the energy that moves us into greater action, greater self-love, and greater love for those around us. So I'm going to invite you now to just take a deep breath. Just recognize the power of this breath. The power of taking a pause. The power of recognizing this beautiful cycle that gives us life. Of breathing in and exhaling. Breathing in and exhaling. And so if you haven't done so already, I invite you to gently close your eyes. Continuing to be aware of that beautiful cycle of the breath. And it truly models for us not just the cycle that gives us life and energizes our body, but the ways in which we energize this awareness of the truth of who we are, the truth that underlies all our experiences. As we breathe in, we remember the power that we have to be intentional about what it is that we want to give life to. The ways in which we can energize our experiences and energize right seeing. That is to give life to that part within us that sees God in others. Energize that part within us that sees the God within. And so let us breathe life into an awareness of God in our lives, of the ways in which we, in this moment here and now, fully accept our truth, fully recognize that God and we are one. Take another deep breath, breathing in. And let's exhale. With the next breath, I just invite you to exhale more fully. The power of releasing and letting go. Letting go of that which no longer serves us. Letting go of guilt, of shame, letting go of any self-judgment that is keeping us from fully recognizing and knowing and affirming that we are expressions of love. Releasing any old patterns, feelings of inadequacy, of not measuring up, for here and now, we claim our truth. I will be gentle with myself. Speak that out loud for yourself. I will be gentle with myself. I am gentle with myself. In this moment, here and now, being more fully present to the truth of our being, the truth of our experiences as part of a journey of self-discovery, part of a journey of accepting ourselves as the expressions of good and of God and of light. We allow ourselves to, without judgment, really tap into the ways in which we have shown up. And if there are any ways in which we may feel we missed the mark, or if there are ways in which we are being called to grow, to expand the ways in which we do show up, as we recollect them, we are gentle with ourselves. We are kind with ourselves. And we call forth the power of love that is within us and as us. I forgive myself. I forgive myself for not fully understanding who and what I am. I forgive myself for not allowing myself to grow gently, lovingly. I forgive myself for not embodying more fully this truth that I am. And I also forgive myself for not recognizing that embodying this truth is a journey. I forgive myself as I recognize the strength of my vulnerability, the strength of my courage, to understand that there are other ways in which I want to show up in the future. I love myself. Say that quietly and softly to yourself. I love me. And I forgive me. Love, harmony, peace of mind. Take another deep, refreshing breath. gentle with myself. And I set the intention of being gentle with myself. Of holding and comforting myself in moments of doubt. Lifting myself up in strength, in faith, and in trust. That I walk this path of self-actualization. That I walk this path of self-awareness. Lovingly, being kind to myself and others. And open to the very ways in which Spirit is guiding and inspiring me, inspiring us. And so tap into the gentle gratitude that is within your heart. For it is a gratitude that knows that you're doing your best, that we are doing our best. And it's a gratitude that also knows that we are growing and learning and developing ourselves. That we are on this journey to more fully embody our truth. And it is grateful for the ways in which we are doing it. This sense of gratitude is grateful itself for the understanding and the clarity of this moment. As we breathe in, we give life to our intention. And as we exhale, we release anything that is keeping us from fully loving and accepting our truth. We breathe in, we breathe out, and all is well. Amen and amen.